Well, here we are, the infamous Scottish rain, or famous, it depends on your opinion on rain. This is quite heavy even for us. It's been quite bad for the last 10 minutes or so, which is quite bad. I'm under an umbrella, and you would normally never ever catch me under an umbrella. I think they're stupid things, because I'm a real Scottish man and I face the rain. However, I don't want the camera getting wet because it's not mine. So here we are, miserable rain, walking to the bottom of the garden. And the last look at the miserable rain.